Good afternoon, children. Welcome again to our online session. Hope you all are fine with good health. As we accepted the challenge that we will make our teaching learning process enjoyable, let us begin with a new topic from a railway carriage written by R.L. Stevenson. Children, we all like to travel by train. A train journey is one of the most exciting travel experience from boarding a train to our destination. We all fond of train journey, isn't it? Yes, especially window seat views from a fast moving train. We see trees, mountains, rivers, farms, farmer working in the field, cattle are grazing in a green grass, beautiful flowers, women carrying water pots on their head, children playing in the open ground, so on mesmerizing views. Train journey is an awesome experience, an unforgettable moment of life. In this poem, poet shares his experience of a railway journey with us. He describes the scene very beautifully he sees from the window of a train. Robert Louis Stevenson, born 1850, Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and travel writer, well known for his children's classic works Treasure Island, Kidnapped, died 1894. Children, let's begin the poem. 2.1 from a railway carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted station whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is a green for steering the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone for ever. R.L. Stevenson. 2.1 from a railway carriage. Carriage means a passenger train. First stanza. Faster than ferries, faster than bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, and all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. Ferry. Which faster than fairies, faster than witches. Fairies means an imaginary creature with magic power. Witches means a woman who is believed to have evil magical power. In these two lines, the poet says that the train is moving faster than the fairies and witches. Bridge. Beautiful houses. Hedges. Ditches. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Bridges, as you can see in the picture, means is a structure that is built over a railway or river so that the people can cross from one side to other. Houses, we all live in the houses. Hedges, hedges as you can see in the picture, a fence formed by the closely growing bushes. Ditches, as you can see in the picture, a narrow channel dug at the side of a road or field to carry away water. In these two lines, the poet says that the speedy movement of the train leaves behind bridges, houses, hedges, and ditches. Troops, a group of soldiers. Meadows, horses and cattle. And charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. Charging along is a phrase. It means moving forward in a line. Troops is a collective noun, means a group of soldiers. Meadows means a green grass. Cattle means a domesticated animal like cow, buffalo, bull. Now, in this four line, the poet says that the train moves forward like soldiers who are attacking their enemies in the battlefield. The poet also says that the train leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. Second stanza. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Hills and plain, driving rain, wink, painted station. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. The poet says that all the scene of the hill and the plain were being crossed by the train as quick as one drop of rain. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted station whistled by. Wink of an eye is a phrase. It means very quickly. In the next moment, the train passes railway station with a whistle, and the stations were looked like painted pictures. Third stanza. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for staring the daisies. Crambles and scrambles. A child is trying to climb a tree. Brambles, berries. Tramp, a homeless person. Daisies, flowers. A woman making a garland with flowers. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Clambers and scramble. Here it means a child who is trying to climb on a tree using both his hand and feet. Brambles means a blackberry bush. In these lines, the poet says a child climbing a tree and collecting berries. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for strewing the daisies. Tramp. Tramp means a person who travels from one place to another on foot in search of work, or we can say a homeless person. Gazes. Gazes means to look at something for a long time. Steering means with strings. Daisies means a small flower with white petals. The poet also sees a homeless person who looks at a train with a surprise. As the train moves forward, he sees a lady is making a garland with daisy flowers. Fourth stanza. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. R.L. Stevenson. Horse cart. Load. A person carrying a heavy luggage. Windmill. River. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. Cart means a horse drawn vehicle with four wheels used for transportation. Lumping. Lumping means carry a heavy load somewhere with difficulty. The poet then sees a cart moving slowly in the middle of a highway. It was full of load and the driver was sitting on top of the load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone for ever. Glimpse means quick look. As the train moving ahead, he sees a mill and a river by its side. In the last line, the poet very sadly says that all these objects appeared and disappeared so quickly that they can never be seen again. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.